This is the new Mercedes EQE 350, and in this video you can see the standard version. I say standard because this car does not have the AMG package, so you may saw the video of the edition 1 model which has AMG package, and this one is, let's say, more normal. So as you can see, the front black panel is just gloss black, so no star pattern. Also we have the LED lights. Now the lights LED as standard, and optionally you can get the digital lights, which are impressive, but this looks pretty cool as well. Nice daytime running LEDs, but you will notice that these lights are not connected. So in the digital light formation you would have them connected with the LED bar, but here they are not. But I would say that this looks pretty nice as well. We have a nice big wheels. They go from 19-inch up to 21-inch on the new EQE model. And speaking about this model, it's a smaller brother of the EQS. We can call it like that. But in terms of dimensions, it's more of a CLS and not E-Class because it's bigger than the E-Class. And side profile reveals this coupe style of the roof. And overall, very aggressive styling. I actually prefer the EQE compared to the EQS. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. Here you have a shorter wheelbase and shorter overhangs. And overall, I think that, these dimensions are a bit better. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. Now at the back, you can see the connected LED lights. And overall, this is pretty nice, and I really want to hear your opinion. The world premiere of this car will be at the IAA Munich, and stay tuned for that. I will film the full detailed review of this car, showing you all the details of exterior and interior. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts on this. Subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.